This is my setup. Don't have too much here, it's just me. I use it for tea or coffee almost every day. The problem with this kettle is I liked it. It looked good, kind of went with the cabinet. That's kind of the reason why it stuck out to me. Had good reviews, but you can see it a little on the lip, but more importantly inside there, it's rusting internally at the water level. So I don't know, it's supposedly stainless steel, and yet I have to worry about rust in the water that I drink.
This is as loud as it gets. You can't hear it over the TV set in the next room, or you can barely hear it over the TV set in the next room, but it does whistle.
Provided us with the stability and the strength that we